Are you looking for the best HD dashcams in 2022? In this video we will look at some of the best HD dashcams in 2022 on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Rexing V1 Dash Cam. It is a fabulous camera that offers a hidden installation. You can attach this cam to the glass with the use of mount or attach it with the help of the suction cup. The Rexing Dash Cam is easy to use with an understandable menu. This Dash Cam duo works well as the rear or front camera. It offers 170 degrees view which covers the whole car. Its ultra-wide-angle lens allows the camera to be mounted anywhere in the car and still capture the entirety of the road. The Rexing V1 is designed to capture sharp and bright images with a built-in Sony IMX323 image sensor which is missing in various other dash cameras available today. The camera is easily adaptable, creating balanced footage and image through fine-tuning the cam's exposure. Developed for any weather condition, Rexing V1 can be stored under 160° F temperature and operates on 140° F temperature. You never have to worry when the memory card is full as the camera automatically overwrites the oldest recordings using the loop recording feature. When a collision occurs, the footage is safely locked and protected because of the camera's G sensor. At number 2. WOLFBOX Mirror Dash Cam. One of my favorite dashcam companies is WOLFBOX, and they've got an excellent reputation for producing high-quality products. It has a great design, a super wide viewing angle, and it comes with an easy-to-use app. It records both front and rear views simultaneously, so you'll always have a backup when reversing or turning. Both the front and rear cameras are equipped with an ultra-wide viewing angle lens which helps to see more of the road ahead to drive forward/reverse with complete safety. The 2.5D curved screen enhances image quality by minimizing the appearance of distortion and improving brightness, making the body more suitable for the curvature of the human retina. It records in 1080p for clear and sharp video, even in bright sunlight. It comes with a built-in 6-layer glass lens, which enhances night vision in a dark environment. The car camera applied an upgraded low reflectivity LCD to reduce reflection during the day. At number 3. OldShark Dash Cam 1080p Full HD. This is a perfectly surprising camera that records clear videos. It is a simplified dashcam with high video quality. It is a good quality camera when considering the price. The downside of this OldShark dashcam is that it does not work well for recording the nighttime videos. The videos recorded at night are not clear. It offers auto detection against accidents and serves well as a security camera for the car. It has automatic recording features with premium resistance against high or low temperatures. This particular dash camera is designed with superior chips which enable to capture stable and smooth video recordings. Its chipset is built with shock absorption design and retardant metal material to ensure durability and long-lasting performance. A 1080p vivid video footage is captured using the full-glass f1.6 aperture sensor. The automatic on/off feature is feasible to almost all cars. This feature allows the device to automatically start recording once the engine is on and is automatically turned off after a while as soon as the engine is off. Its premium temperature resistance allows the camera to function even on higher temperature provided that it is not exposed to sunlight for a longer period of time. At number 4. Rexing V1P 170° Wide-Angle Dash Cam. It is an amazing camera which offers clear picture recording. The setup for Rexing V1P is easy to install. It is a dashcam duo with both rear and front camera. The dashcam has a 64GB memory card which stores a lot of videos. The Rexing V1P dashcam has a discreet design with the hidden installation. It is a full HD cam which works well in all the lighting situations whether it's daytime or night. It serves as a security camera for car allowing you to detect any collisions with the inbuilt G sensor. The device's front camera is capable of capturing full HD 1080p at 30 fps video recordings. It operates fine in any lighting situation using the wide dynamic range that it comes with. This can play a vital role in creating excellent footage and images by only adjusting its exposure. The rear camera is very much capable of recording the surroundings using the 120 degrees lens. Like any other high-quality dash cams in the market, this device is also designed with loop recording that allows to automatically overwrite oldest recordings once the memory gets full. It has the capacity to store 64 gigabytes of data, which can translate into 8.5 hours of dual-channel recording along with VGA video before oldest recordings are overwritten. Featured with weather resistance, the Rexing V1P dashcam makes sure that it operates without overheating. No matter what climate you are in, this device will function without fail at the 140 degree F operating temperature and can be stored at around 160 degree F without getting damaged. At number 5. Kingslim Car Dash Cam. It offers 1080p of video resolution. It has a built-in GPS system that allows tracking down the location. It has Wi-Fi with a smartphone app. The Timetech Vision dashcam is a small, professional dashcam that comes with the hidden installation. It has a sturdy and compact body which allows it to resist all sorts of temperature. Along with the GPS system, it also offers the G-sensor system for your protection. This dashcam with parking mode makes use of G-sensor that allows you to park on public roads. It offers high-quality footage with detection of number plates. It comes with an 8GB memory card which records the videos of 90 minutes duration. It is available with a mount for the windscreen. Apart from offering a 1080p video resolution, the sensor of this device has the capacity to capture footage in 2 Super HD resolutions of 2304p x 1296p and 2560p x 1080p with the frame rate standing at 30 fps. It comes with a couple of mounting options where the adhesive mount serves as the standard option and you get suction mount as an accessory. It can support up to 128GB micro SD card and even includes an 8GB card in the package. The device has no battery and only operates when directly plugged into the car. Once the vehicle is running, the dashcam will record video footage in clips of 1 to 5 minutes length. Overall, this device can store up to 50 such clips before the oldest recordings are overwritten automatically. In the event of collision, which can be detected by the device's G-sensor, it enables to save 10 seconds of recording prior to the event and 20 seconds after the occurrence of such collision. Both these recordings are then stored on a separate clip under the SD card's event folder. The footage can be viewed when you connect the device to a PC through USB port, to a TV using the HDMI port, or by simply ejecting the card and directly copying the files to view them. At number 6. Garmin Dash Cam 55. This dashcam has 1440p resolution with excellent details regarding the image. It offers various safety features. The downsides of Garmin Dash Cam 55 includes, it is an attractive and a compact dashcam which starts automatically. The full HD dashcam records the videos at 2560 or 1440 pixels. The dashcam has storage of 64 GB with loop recording. The Garmin Dash Cam has GPS built-in technology with G-sensor that automatically detects all incidents. It has built-in Wi-Fi which can be easily synced with the smartphone app. Since the dashcam is small, it can be easily mounted on the car's windshield inconspicuously. The high-definition recording feature comes along with a clear 2.0 LCD display. Apart from offering high-quality footage, this device is also designed with lane departure warning that signals you whenever your car strays out of the lane. Also, the dashcam offers forward collision warning, which is yet another amazing built-in feature that alerts you when you are driving very close to the car ahead. It is likewise designed with voice control features requiring you to just say, "Hey Garmin," before the instructions show up on the 2-inch screen of the cam. At number 7. Rove R2-4K Night Vision Dash Cam. Unique feature in this cam which makes it an exceptional cam, is its ability to record videos with resolution of 2160p. It also got an impressive night vision capability. GPS available in this can accurately record your driving location and speed. You can view your driving route and track it on Google Maps via Wi-Fi using the app or with our car DV player. It comes with free firmware upgrade. You will get full 1-year warranty on this cam. All these innovative and safety features are designed in this device to give you an ultimate experience ride after ride. It is built with high-end technology including G-sensor, parking mode, and super night vision among many others. It is also designed with voice guidance to provide you with useful information and help you need for easy navigation. The dashcam has the ability to capture clear footage even in low light night conditions, making it a more efficient tool to have on your arsenal.